Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT if it's not available in your country. At first head over to Google and then click on this extension and then go to manage extensions. After that click on these three dots and then at the bottom you see open Chrome Web Store. Click on this one. After that we're going to search for VPN and then hit enter. Now a bunch of VPN is over here, but we're going to click on this one, free VPN, and click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension, just like that. And now it's going to say available for Android, but we don't want any of that. So now it's just installed over here. If I click on extensions and just pin this one, all I need to do is just click on this one. And then suppose I'm going to select this one. Once done, we're going to clear out all of this. So that we're going to search for this one, chat.openai.com/chat, just like so. And then you're going to see that ChatGPT is going to get in, and this is how you can use it if it's not available for your country. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.